Now, most people normally talk about ICEA Lion. They talk about Safaricom. They talk about all other money market funds. So if you go online, if you watch the videos, you'll just realize that people repetitively talk about ZD, Etika Money Market, CIC, Old Mutual, Madison, APA. But they rarely talk about ICEA Lion Money Market Fund. But this is one of the best in the market and a very stable company. ICEA Lion is known for investment, pension, insurance. So if you want to start investing for your retirement, put your money in ICEA Lion. This is where you can invest for 30 years, 40 years. So it means it's a stable company. When it comes to money market fund, their minimum investment is 500 shillings. There's no maximum investment. You can top up an amount, but I encourage you to top up more than 1,000 every time you want to top up, so that the interest can be higher, or you can grow faster. When you want to withdraw, the maximum amount you can withdraw through M-Pesa is 10,000. If you want to withdraw more than 10,000, you request through the bank. So for the bank, normally they process within 3 working days. It means if you request on Monday, by Wednesday you have your money. If you request on Friday, by Tuesday you have your money. Now most people are interested in knowing about the interest rate. Right now it's about 12.8%. Normally it goes up to 15%. So when you invest money in ICEA Lion, the interest normally is around 12%, 13% there. It doesn't vary much. And if you compare with the other very stable money market funds like CIC, like Old Mutual, you'll find that ICEA Lion is a bit ahead in terms of interest rate. Now, do they have hidden charges? No. The only charges they have is annual management fee, which is 5%, and you have the obvious tax, which is 15% of the interest you earn. Those two, they're just obvious. And also, you should know that when you're withdrawing, especially through M-Pesa, there are some charges, or when you're depositing, there are some charges, but there are no hidden charges which you'll incur. So what about stability? This money market fund is regulated by a capital markets authority, which is very stable. And I've tried in many years to see whether they have any case related to money market fund. There are reviews online You can bear witness that their reviews are good. Go to their Facebook page, go online to forums. Their reviews are very positive. So it means it is a good company to invest in. No, ICA, initially, it was ICA Insurance and Lion. So they came together and formed a group, which is now big, and it's in many countries. And as I told you, when such a company exists, offers products, a company which exists in Kenya and other countries, it means it's a very stable company, and chances of losing your money are very low. They have thousands of employees, they have billions and billions of money, and they invest in various sectors. So you are guaranteed to invest bulk amount of money. Here, I will encourage you to invest even 10 million, 100 million. You'll never lose your money. But there are some money market fund companies, I told you, you have to be very cautious when investing with them, especially those ones who look at the management, only Kenyans. If you look at that company, it was formed maybe 2 years ago. If you look at their portfolio, they don't have money. They don't have history. They have a case in court. Maybe the CEO was involved in some scandal involving money. So that's where you should not invest. You have to do your due diligence, especially if you have bulk, huge amount of money you want to invest. Don't be deceived by interest. You know, some companies will give you an interest of 19%, knowing that you'll be convinced. You invest. Once you invest, you lose your money. They will pay you for 1 year, 2 years. From there, they lock your money. And the good thing about ICEA Lion is that you can withdraw anytime you wish. You request through M-Pesa. Within 24 hours, you have your money in your M-Pesa. That is good. It means if you have an emergency, you can withdraw your money. But others lock your money where you cannot withdraw for even 3 months. Now, their interest is calculated daily and compounded monthly. And in a year, interest of around 13%, 1 million, that is 120,000 to 130,000 shillings total in a year, even more, depending on the performance of treasury bills. So MMF is very safe, and ICEA Lion is one of the companies to invest your money in. Now, if you have any question or a comment below, or your experience with the company, you can comment and others to see. We don't delete comments here. As much as we give reviews, you can give your own review. You tell others your experience about the company. That's the reason why we have this video. You know, others may not give you that opportunity because they know you'll talk bad. But talking bad through experience warns others against going through that experience. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Here we don't talk about business alone. We will be reviewing products for companies, and we'll be giving you opportunity to give raw information which will help others not to fall to some traps. So that's all we had about money market fund, specifically ICEA Lion. And if you want to save, start now.